Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my Cajon Drum Set kit which I intend to set up, and here you see are all the equipment and the parts that I've put together myself, all bought from the good people at Sweelie there. Met some wonderful people there, helped me with the questions and what to do and what to buy, kind of parts that I need. Okay, so here we go. Okay, first up, we have the MEINL Cymbals. It's a basic set of 14-inch hi-hat and 18-inch crash ride. And then here we have, as you can see, it's a TAMA snare drum. 14-inch. Okay, I also pair it with a TAMA traditional series 5B American Hickory stick, matte black, limited edition. Okay, and here in the middle, this is the most important bit of the whole drum set. A cajon drum. Okay, you can see it's from Pearl. Okay, and then here by the side is a Ludwig standard pack with all the stands. Stand for the hi-hat, stand for the crash, and also for the snare drum. There is also another stand which is included, so I bought myself a 12-inch splash. So everything here, you see, completes the setup. Okay, stay tuned. I'll attempt to unbox all of them. Thank you.